Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals 20, and y equals 25.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals 20, the run is 18. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 25, the rise is 23.
Slope is rise divided by run, 23 over 18, which simplifies to 23 over 18. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is 23 over 18, x1 is 2, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.